Most of us are on a financial quest, but often we're searching in all the wrong places. It's easy to blame employers, the economy, or the system for keeping us back. But the reality? Your potential for wealth is within you. You don't need anyone else to make you wealthy. The resources are in your hands. In this video, we'll uncover 5 practical ways to turn what you already have into wealth. By using these strategies, you can take charge of your financial future over the next year. Let's dive in. As Benjamin Franklin famously said, time is money. Yet, in today's world, so many people see time as just hours on a clock. But time is much more. It's your most valuable asset. To turn your time into wealth, first examine how you're spending it. How many hours get lost to endless social media scrolling or binge-watching shows? Imagine if that time was redirected to learning, building, or creating value. A couple of hours a day, when used wisely, can lead to new skills, insights, and even income streams. Remember, every minute has potential. Use it to invest in yourself and you'll see the rewards. Think about the time you spend online. Now think about who's making money from it. Companies like Google, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. But here's a game changer. What if you flipped your perspective and started using these platforms to create income for yourself? Instead of simply consuming, explore ways to produce. Maybe it's starting a small online business, creating content, or selling products. Whether it's through eBay, Instagram, or YouTube, using the internet for business can dramatically improve your finances within a year. The tools are all there. It's time to use them to your advantage. Ever heard the phrase, "Your network is your net worth"? It's true. Connections are incredibly valuable. Spend time with people who can help you grow both personally and financially. When you connect with ambitious, resourceful people, you'll find opportunities to collaborate, share ideas, and learn. Not only can a solid network open doors, but it can also save you time and money by introducing you to valuable resources and insights you wouldn't have found on your own. So, invest in your relationships and cultivate meaningful connections. They can be a direct path to wealth. Take a moment to think about the skills you have. Are you good at writing, coding, cooking, designing, or even making people laugh? Almost any skill can be monetized, and today's digital world offers countless ways to do it. If you don't feel confident in your skills, this is your sign to invest in learning. There are online courses, books, and mentors that can help you develop valuable talents. Once you've sharpened your skills, find out how to turn them into income. Whether it's freelancing, teaching, or creating content, start today and watch as your skills generate wealth over time. Every issue you encounter could be a chance to earn. As Jack Ma puts it, opportunity lies where there is a problem. Think about the challenges people face daily and consider how you might provide a solution. By tackling the problems around you, you not only help others but also create a potential income stream for yourself. Maybe it's offering a service that people need or designing a product that solves an inconvenience. This approach requires creativity and effort, but it can lead to meaningful financial rewards. Take these ideas and make them yours. Shift your focus to how you can maximize your time, skills, connections, and even challenges to build wealth over the next 12 months. Remember, true wealth is within your reach. It just takes the right mindset and action to make it a reality. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends or family looking for financial inspiration. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more strategies on building a financially secure future. Thanks for watching. Start your journey today.